Hi, my name is Reagan Allegri, and I am the proud principal here at Heritage Middle School. We have just now completed phase one of our construction here at Heritage, and I would love to take you around and show you our new and improved spaces. Okay, so we are here in the Commons. This is not a new space, it's just renovated. We had this before, but what we have done is completely renovated the space, brought it up to date with 2 stacked learning areas. These will fit around 40 to 50 students and staff members so they can come together, collaborate, learn together, and it's just really great to see it all be brand new and fresh for our students and families.
So I've been here for 25 years. So just seeing this transition from where it used to be in my first 24 years to where it is now has just been remarkable. There seems to be just not only the brightness of the building, but the space is completely used in a different way. And then just the way in which the students are able to interact and collaborate has been huge over the last couple weeks here.
Welcome to 501. This is our maker space here at Heritage. It sits with a beautiful view of the Commons. We can fit around 50 students in here where they can come in and just create and make new things for a ton of different classes. And this space has already been used, which is wonderful to see. We are now upstairs in the 500s. Our section looks just the same up here as it does downstairs in the 400s, but what we've been able to do is create some separate locations for our 7th graders and 8th graders to be able to get into their classes and be able to move around the building a little bit easier and not all in the same space.
We just finished the 100-year celebration here at Heritage, and it just was very meaningful to me to see that Liberty is wanting to invest in the older buildings.
We are so incredibly fortunate that our community approved this bond back in April of 2023, and because of that, we are done with phase one here in our 1964 building. We cannot wait to start phase two, which will go into effect in May, June of this summer.
There's a lot of great things happening here in Heritage, and it's a beautiful building inside and out.
Thank you again to our community for making some really big dreams come true here at Heritage.